Lion. So I just make it this here, L-I-O-N. Okay, lion. So just make it somewhere here. Selection this and this lion. I make something. First I just take some when you draw the lion. We need something pictures of lion. I share with you something pictures of lion. So suppose to I just take this picture of lion. Okay, so this is the lion pictures I'm taking over here, and this thing is also I just put over here. This is a lion. Okay, so now I just so how to draw this when you draw the lines. Okay, this is what is the main basic things of lion. I just make this with the blue colors and make it become this line. Okay, so suppose to I just draw the circle first. Okay, make this first line, make a circle, and then down up this eyes line and nose line, and here this is the line. I can make this two line here. Okay, this line portrait. So I know okay, the line portrait which is coming this line first, and here into this. Okay, this first, and now this points lines are coming nose like this. Okay, this point is the nose. Okay, and here you can make it one more line. Okay, so I make this one line over here, and this line okay, I'm creating this. Okay, so as same as I can make it this line, and here to this another parts. Okay, and this part is a lower parts. Okay, so now this is nose, eyes, and ear. It should be same line. And here you can create the nose, eyes, and this is the same line. You can create this line here. Okay, so and after that you can create the other sides. Okay, the here sides. So like this. So you can join these two lines over here. So how to create this easy way a line? So after that we're just creating this. Very simple, okay, very simple way. And this is the line. Okay, no more that I need to. Okay, so here you can draw the line like this. Fine. So basic shapes of lines are done. Okay, here. So now I'm just creating the to put this dark lines and make it bigger. So when you're creating this line, okay. So I just make it a little line. Yes. Okay. So just put here this line. So now I'm just creating over here line. Okay. So this is the eyes. Here created this. Okay. So like this. I just use the finger for that. Okay. Using and creating this line portraits. Okay, how to make this. Okay, here. So and this line over here. And this is I just for the demo purpose I share what is the volume of line. Okay, the line is what is the volume one coming. Okay, where the curve line. So I'm usually using over here. Okay, is the curve line. Okay, so like this is has a curve line. And when you can draw over here, this flow is like this. Okay, this is flow like this. So I can create it over here. The same line. Okay. So I'm using the finger, so I can do this. Okay, here. Fine. I'm creating this volume over here. So, okay, fine. And this is here I can draw this dotted line and creating this. Okay. So this is the way. So how to create this when create a line. So what is the कौन सा पहले करना चाहिए, कौन सा सेकंड करना चाहिए, कौन सा स्लोली इसको डेवलप करने के लिए क्या जरूरी है. तो मैंने यहाँ पे देखा है. तो आपको कैसे लग रहा है और कैसे इसे बनाया वो मैंने दिखाया.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.